Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Vanguard, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Vanguard, start by visiting the Vanguard website at www.vanguard.com. On the home page, locate and click on the Personal Investors option. Scroll down to find the Open an Account button and click on it. You will see a prompt for selecting your investment type. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as an individual or IRA account. After selecting your account type, click on the Continue button. Provide your personal information including your name, address, and date of birth. Make sure to enter your Social Security number for tax purposes. Next, you'll need to provide your employment information. Enter your annual income and net worth as prompted. Choose your investment goals from the provided options. This will help Vanguard tailor their recommendations for your investment strategy. Read through Vanguard's service agreement and privacy policy. If you agree with the terms, check the box to accept them. Now, create your username and password for the Vanguard account. Your username should be unique and your password should meet security requirements. Next, you'll need to set up security questions for additional account protection. Choose questions and answers that you can easily remember. After setting up your security information, review all your entered information. Make sure everything is accurate before proceeding. Once verified, click on the Submit button to finalize. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Follow any additional instructions in the email to complete your account setup. Once your account is established, log in using your new credentials. Explore the various investment options available through your Vanguard account. Consider setting up additional features, like automatic contributions or investment tracking. Congratulations, you're now registered with Vanguard and ready to start investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.